Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable new amazing motion wallpaper on your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Galaxy Store and download GoodLock. Guys, look at this GoodLock download on my Galaxy device. Before start, remember first download these both images on your Galaxy device. These both image download link available on description. Now go to GoodLock. After open GoodLock, simply download Wonderland module. Look at this Wonderland module download, simply tap and open. Tap on create your own moving wallpaper. Tap on new. Go to gallery and select this background. Look at this. Guys, again add one more image from gallery, but before go to gallery. Now look at this object. Now tap and hold object and save this image as PNG. Look at this. After save, open Wonderland module again. Again add one more image. Simply tap on image, go to gallery and select this PNG object and set this PNG object like this. After set, simply tap on image setting, enable motion effect and set X movement -41, Y movement set 0 and set Z movement +32. Now look at this preview. Simply tap on save and set this wallpaper home screen and lock screen. And look at this new motion wallpaper enable on your Galaxy device. So guys, you also enable this new motion wallpaper on your Galaxy device. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.